Welcome to Alfra English channel. Listen to the question and sample answer, then try to answer the same question on your own. Do you like people taking photos of you?
If someone asks me first and I feel like being captured in a photo, I do not mind. Otherwise, I do not prefer to be in a photograph, especially with less known or unknown people. I think this is a personal choice, and I am not the type of person who likes taking selfie or self-photograph now and then.
You can share your answers in the comment below. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video.